7 here. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix Instagram Reels not being available on your device. So what you need to do is, as you can see, let me launch into Instagram. And if you could see here, if I should go ahead and try to create, the Instagram Reels option is not available, and I'm on a channel test channel 89. So I usually believe that some features of Instagram are only available per the region which you are. So let's take a look into this. So what you need to do is to go to your Google Play Store and search for Instagram and ensure that you're on the latest update. So I'm currently not on the updated version. However, I'll update Instagram and get back to you. And as you can see, I'm a beta tester for this application, so I should receive updates before majority of the Instagram users. And that's because I've been using Instagram for so long. So I'm going to update and I'm going to get back to you guys. Okay, so after you've completed the Instagram update, you'd simply need to launch Instagram, and let's see if that was able to fix the issue of not being able to create Instagram Reels. So let's tap on the plus icon, and as you can see, we still don't have Instagram Reels available. So another step which you could take is to go to settings, and from here you need to click on help, and then you'd need to go to report a problem and click on report a problem. Okay, so here what you need to type is the issue which you're having. So you don't have Instagram Reels available and you'd really like to try the feature. So let's type the issue here. Okay, so after you've successfully typed your paragraph, you're not seeing the Reels option and you had it before. What you need to do next is to click on take a screenshot, and then you need to go back to where the Instagram Reels option would be and then press the screenshot button. Now as you can see, they would realize that you don't have Instagram Reels and you need to click on submit, and let's not turn on shake, and then give that some time, 24 to 48 hours, until they look into the issue. And you could also send this as a feedback. So what you could do, you could send it as a feedback instead of reporting a problem. So you'd simply need to go to help and you could send a feedback, and it would be just the same. You'd type the paragraph, take the screenshot, and you'd be able to post Reels in a matter of time. Now this is not really an issue of location or where your device is located, because I've had Instagram Reels on other accounts before, and this account is located in the same region. So the issue is possibly that Instagram is trying to remove the Instagram Reels from certain accounts. So I'll see what they do after I've sent this message, and I'll update you guys. I've already done this before on an account and I've got it successfully done. So let's see if it works for this account as well. So that is it, guys. Ensure that your Instagram is up to date, and yeah, that is basically it. Update your Instagram and you could send the help and feedback, and they would possibly give you the Instagram Reels option. This is not guaranteed, but it will work like 90% of the time. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this little tutorial was helpful. Happy 7 out.